Alright, today we got a 2007 Pontiac G6 GT convertible top, and we're having some electrical issues, battery drainage, if it's sat for a while. And then we have a couple codes going up here. We got a engine oil pressure sensor, and we're gonna skip all this stuff. Oh, you got some airbag failure, and we'll just skip that. Main thing is the oil pressure. This thing's old. It's got 230,000 miles on it, so I'm gonna check that. So let's diagnose this car with me. All right, so when you're ready to jack up the car, just for your own safety, block them off. You know, if you have a piece of wood or an actual rubber block, that is preferable. Jack stands, no Pontiac is worth getting your head squished. All right, now that we have found the oil pressure sensor, which is right here, I don't know if you can see with the light, let's disconnect the harness. Oh, that's weird. Oh, you see that right there? Let's see if I can zoom up on it. Hey, you got a missing wire. Okay. And this plug does not look right. There's supposed to be a casing around it so these don't touch each other. So like, that is weird. Why would it be? And this is impossible to get to, by the way. So this is going to be a fun one, getting that pressure sensor out and then getting tools next to your starter. So you're gonna have to disconnect your battery. I'm probably just gonna take out this oil cooler line, or I don't even think it's an oil cooler. I'm just gonna end up taking the oil filter off, maybe the upper housing off, so that I could kind of get in there, but we'll see.